Good morning and welcome to the Savi Boardroom here in London. My name is Miles Eakers and it's the 27th of April 2011. Can I have a quick roundup of what's been happening overnight in the financial markets and then take a quick look at the day ahead. The S&P has cut Japan's rating outlook to negative due to the earthquake. Guidance says the US debt ceiling with debate is irresponsible. And he also says the notion of US government debt default is ridiculous. Obama has urged oil producers to increase output, and Sarkozy makes Mario Draghi for the ECB presidency. Adano says Japan will work to keep trust in Japanese government bonds, and Japan March retail sales suffers biggest fall in 13 years. Japan April 1st to the 10th trade deficit came in at 168.9 billion yen, and Australia Q1 CPI came in at 3.3% year on year against the forecast of 3% and 1.6% Q on Q against the 1.2% forecast. Australian Q1 RBA trimmed mean 2.3% year on year against the 0.9% Q on Q, and that was above forecast. And Australia Q1 RBA weighted median CPI was 2.2% year on year against 0.8% Q on Q. The Aussie dollar hits fresh 29-year highs on the back of that data and is sitting above the 1.080 after the CPI. And New Zealand business confidence bounces sharply in April, and New Zealand outlook is uncertain, and the central bank has to set alert for inflation. That's from the OECD. South Korean Q1 GDP grew 1.4% Q on Q, and that was slightly above forecast. And the People's Bank of China fixes Yuan midpoint at a new record high versus the US dollar. And the S&P says Indonesia rating upgrade is not a one-way bet. And that is it in terms of news overnight. Now looking at the day ahead, got a good amount of UK data at 9:30 today, with the main focus on GDP, and the market is expecting a 0.5% Q on Q, followed at 10 by Eurozone industrial new orders, with a 1.5% read expected month on month. Then in US data, US trading, we have a good amount of US data today, followed from about 12 o'clock onwards. The main focus on US durable goods at 1:30, and a 2.1% read is expected. Then at 5:30, the Fed's rate decision is announced, followed by Bernanke's speech at the Fed conference at 7:15. And that is it from us here at Savi. I hope you have a good day and good luck trading.